right, Mr. Josh, brother, top of the morning, sir. You ready for this? Good. Well, if you're in San Antonio and you're looking for a good fruteria, this guy right here at Los Valles Fruteria, ¿verdad? Yeah. Right, Los Valles, over on Zarzamora and Nogalitos. Check this guy out. They got the best stuff. Let's see. Breath in, all the way out. There you go. Good. One more way up here. Good. You okay there? Alright, so we're gonna get this right side. Remember, this has to come up. That's gonna come up and go down just like that. There we go. It's gonna go down when I push down though, okay? You okay? 2 more times. Good. 1 more. Good. Let's get this side up, facing me this way. Now you'll be on your side, Josh, facing me this way. Here, I'm gonna bring this up right there. You got it. Bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Good. Now take a breath in and all the way out. Good. 1 more. Good. And now we're gonna face this other side. There we go. Let me get you off of that shoulder, Josh. There you go. Breath in and all the way out. Good. 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 Good job. Now on your back, face up. Let's have your arms up here, partner. Good. Relax right there. Let's get right in here. Just keep it nice and relaxed, Josh. Nice. Oh man, that's gonna help. That was a lot of pops.